Hey guys, no pun intended, but go ahead, grab your coffee or tea or whatever it is that you're choosing to drink. Sit back, relax, and enjoy. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel and welcome to the unboxing of what's in this box here. As you can see, I'm at my coffee station. I haven't decorated it for the fall as of yet because I have been waiting for what's in the box. So I decided I would open my box and share with you guys what's actually in the box. This is not a sponsored video. This is a purchase that I made. My husband put in a request that he wanted us to have a new item that's in this box here. So I'm packaging all of this. And this was purchased from Walmart online order. So as I lift what's inside this box, and here we have it. This beautiful brew coffee maker. Put it up so you guys can see. It's by Barrymore, the Walmart collection. I actually have her air fryer and toaster oven and food processor. And this was the last item on the list. So here we have it. I'm gonna go ahead and unbox. You know, it comes with little instructions to quick start English and in Spanish, and then it gives you that little QR code that you can scan and register your product. And a lot of times it comes with a little recipe book or instruction manual. Yeah, that's what this is, an instruction manual, how to use it. But this is the quick start version. So let's pull her out and see what she really looks like here. So as I stated, this is now guys, this is the beautiful coffee maker multi-brew by Barrymore. Multiple ways to brew. Brew a 12-ounce carafe or a single cup using pods or pre-ground coffee. You can even customize your cup. It comes 12-ounce carafe or 6-ounce, 8-ounce, 10-ounce, or 12-ounce, and 14-ounce single serve sizes. The coffee is fast. Brew a single serve cup in under 70 seconds. That is so important to me because when I am ready for my cup, I am ready for it and I don't want to have to stand and wait for it. And I love that it has the carafe. That way, if I want to set it to come on early in the morning, I could do that. Programmable, set the carafe side to brew the next morning, as I just stated. Touch activated display illuminates when you need it. Customize your brew, 3 different brew strengths. 40-ounce removable water tank, brew several cups before refilling on a single serve side. You can also use the over ice option on a single serve side. Additional features, pause feature allows you to sneak a cup while brewing, 1 to 4 cup setting for carafe brewing. Adjustable drip tray adjusts to fit your mug height. Non-stick warming plate keeps your carafe warm up to 4 hours, and it is dishwasher safe. All the things that I love about this beauty. And guys, I hate to tell you, but you're going to have to wait to come back to see how I style it. And you will have to come back and see how I style out my coffee maker. So again, thanks guys. Thank you for clicking the button to see the unboxing of my oh so lovely coffee maker. So here we have for our pods to go here. Our ground coffee can go here. Water dispenser here, water dispenser here. I think we're going to have a little fun with this. I love the sleekness of the look. So again, guys, thanks so much. I hope you enjoyed me sharing with you the unboxing of my brand new coffee maker here at my coffee station, which I will design and style a little bit later, and then I will come back and share with you. So keep that notification bell on so that you will see when the first cup is brewed. And by the way, don't forget to like this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel if you're new, and leave me a comment section down, a comment down in the comment section. I do love reading your comments. So again, guys, welcome to the channel. I'm your lovely host here. You're styling with Gigi Faison. This is my old coffee, and it still works, but we have a place that we're going to put this one, and this one is going to take over. Beautiful, huh? You like it? I do.